Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Connected Leadership, Lecture 10. Today we'll learn about sustainable leadership and well-being. Finding the balance, work and personal life as a leader, managing stress and promoting well-being, modeling self-care and work-life integration, promoting a healthy and sustainable work culture, the cost of ignoring work-life balance, taking action, implementing work-life balance strategies. Conclusion. Finding the balance, work and personal life as a leader. As a leader, it's easy to get caught up in the demands of work and forget about the importance of personal life. However, finding a balance between the two is crucial for overall well-being and success. When we neglect our personal lives, we risk burnout, decreased productivity, and strained relationships. On the other hand, when we prioritize personal life over work, we may miss out on career opportunities and growth. Balancing work and personal life requires intentional effort and boundary setting. It means recognizing that work is important, but so is taking time for ourselves and our loved ones. By prioritizing self-care and personal relationships, we can actually become more effective and successful leaders. We'll have more energy, focus, and creativity to bring to our work, and we'll be better able to connect with and inspire our teams. Managing stress and promoting well-being. Stress can have a significant impact on both our personal and professional lives. It can lead to physical and mental health problems, decreased productivity, and strained relationships. To manage stress and promote well-being, it's important to prioritize self-care activities such as exercise, meditation, and spending time with loved ones. Additionally, setting boundaries and learning to say no can help reduce stress levels and prevent burnout. Modeling self-care and work-life integration. As a leader, it's important to model self-care and work-life integration for your team. This means taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally, and finding ways to integrate your personal life with your work life in a way that feels balanced and sustainable. One way to practice self-care is to prioritize activities that bring you joy and help you recharge. This might include exercise, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing hobbies outside of work. Additionally, leaders can model work-life integration by setting boundaries around their work schedule and being intentional about how they spend their time both in and out of the office. Promoting a healthy and sustainable work culture. A healthy and sustainable work culture is essential for the success of both employees and the organization as a whole. By promoting a culture that prioritizes well-being, we can create an environment where individuals thrive and are able to perform at their best. One way to promote a healthy work culture is by encouraging regular breaks throughout the day. This can help reduce stress and increase productivity. Additionally, providing opportunities for physical activity, such as standing desks or walking meetings, can have a positive impact on both physical and mental health. Finally, creating a supportive and inclusive workplace culture can help foster a sense of community and belonging among employees. The cost of ignoring work-life balance. Ignoring work-life balance can have serious consequences for both individuals and organizations. On a personal level, neglecting one's personal life in favor of work can lead to burnout, stress, and even physical health problems. This can in turn affect job performance and lead to decreased productivity and motivation. For organizations, ignoring work-life balance can lead to high turnover rates, low employee morale, and decreased productivity. Employees who feel overworked and undervalued are more likely to leave their jobs, which can result in increased costs for recruiting and training new employees. Additionally, an unhealthy work culture can lead to negative publicity and damage the organization's reputation. Taking action. Implementing work-life balance strategies. Implementing work-life balance strategies can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. The first step is to assess your current work-life balance and identify areas where you need improvement. This could include setting boundaries between work and personal time, delegating tasks, or practicing self-care. Once you've identified areas for improvement, create a plan of action that includes specific goals and timelines. Make sure to communicate your plan with your team and hold yourself accountable. Remember, work-life balance is an ongoing process and requires consistent effort. Conclusion: sustainable leadership and well-being are vital components of effective and responsible leadership in the modern world. Leaders who prioritize sustainability and well-being create organizations that not only achieve success but also foster a positive impact on people, society, and the environment. Here are some key conclusions on the significance of sustainable leadership and well-being in leadership. Long-term organizational success. Sustainable leadership focuses on making decisions that consider the long-term impact on the organization, its stakeholders, and the environment. Leaders who prioritize sustainability are more likely to create businesses that can thrive over time, adapting to changing conditions and remaining relevant. Ethical and responsible decision-making. Sustainable leaders act ethically and responsibly, considering the social and environmental consequences of their choices. They are committed to upholding high ethical standards, which builds trust and credibility with their teams and stakeholders. Employee well-being and engagement. Leaders who prioritize employee well-being create a positive work environment that fosters engagement, productivity, and job satisfaction. When employees feel valued and supported, they are more likely to be committed to their work and the organization's mission. Reduce burnout and turnover. Sustainable leadership addresses the well-being of employees, reducing the risk of burnout and turnover. Leaders who support work-life balance and mental health initiatives create a healthier and more sustainable workforce. Positive organizational culture. Sustainable leaders cultivate a culture of care, compassion, and mutual respect. This positive organizational culture encourages collaboration, open communication, and a sense of purpose among team members. Environmental stewardship. Sustainable leadership recognizes the importance of environmental stewardship. Leaders who implement eco-friendly practices and consider the environmental impact of their operations contribute to a more sustainable world. Social impact and corporate responsibility. Sustainable leaders understand the importance of corporate social responsibility. They actively seek ways to positively impact their communities and contribute to social causes. Innovation and adaptation. Leaders who prioritize sustainability are more likely to encourage innovation and adaptation in response to emerging challenges and opportunities. They create a culture where new ideas are embraced and where the organization can thrive in a changing world. Inspiring others. Sustainable leadership sets an example for others in the industry and society at large. When leaders prioritize well-being and sustainability, they inspire others to follow suit and contribute to a more sustainable and compassionate world. In conclusion, sustainable leadership and well-being are essential for creating organizations that not only succeed financially but also leave a positive impact on the world. By considering the long-term consequences of their decisions, valuing employee well-being, and prioritizing social and environmental responsibility, leaders can build resilient, ethical, and sustainable organizations. Sustainable leadership goes beyond profits and growth. It is about creating a better future for all stakeholders while fostering a culture of well-being, empathy, and purpose within the organization.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.